Here is a comprehensive step-by-step process for formulating the budget of a development project involving Java and Spring deployed on us with a school database. This process includes insights into budgeting activities, real-time examples for cost, resource, and time tracking, as well as the effective utilization of work. Breakdown structure would be a project initiation. Begin by reviewing the statement of work, so to understand project requirements, objectives, and deliverables. Scope definition clearly define the project scope, identifying specific functionalities and features related to Java, Spring, OS deployment, and the school database. Resource identification enumerate the human and non-human resources required for the project, considering the expertise needed for Java development, Spring framework, OS deployment, and skill database management. Cost estimation estimate costs associated with personnel, software licenses, hardware or services, and any other relevant expenses. Real-time example use historical data or industry benchmark to estimate hourly rates for developers or subscription costs and licensing fees for developers. Timeframe definition establish project timelines, breaking down the development lifecycle into phases or milestones. Work breakdown structure BS develop a detailed work breakdown structure that decomposes the project into manageable tasks and subtasks. This aids in resource allocation, project tracking. Real-time example create various elements for tasks like Java coding, Spring framework integration, OS deployment setup, skill database design, and testing phases. Resource allocation allocate resources to each BS element based on skill sets, availability, and project dependencies. Budgeting activities detail budgeting activities for each project component, including software development, infrastructure setup, database management, and quality assurance. Real-time example break down costs for Java development hours or service usage school database licensing, and testing tools. Risk assessment identify potential risks that may impact the budget, such as delays, resource shortages, or technology challenges. Real-time example anticipate risks associated with all service outages and factor in contingency plans for mitigating potential cost overruns. Budget documentation document the finalized budget, clearly outlining the estimated cost for each project phase and task. Tracking and monitoring implement a robust tracking system to monitor costs, resource utilization, and project timelines. Real-time example utilize project management tools and dashboards to track actual versus planned costs, resource hours, and project progress. Regular reporting provide regular budget reports to stakeholders, updating them on budgetary performance and any deviations from the real-time example share visual representations of cost variances, resource utilization charts, and project timeline milestones. By following this comprehensive process, you can ensure a well-structured budget for your development project, incorporating real-time examples to illustrate key budgeting activities and outcomes. Thank you for joining us for the video on the Agile Project Insights YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe and share the content with your family and friends as we aim to reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers. Your support is crucial. By helping us achieve this milestone, you enable us to provide even more valuable insights on Scrum and project management, enriched with Python and Java expertise. Your contribution makes a significant impact in fostering knowledge sharing within our community.